Okay, so we have two functions over here. These are linear functions. We want to do a quick sketch of these two linear functions. So this one is a positive slope, and it's going through the origin because there's no y-intercept. So it looks like this, slope of 4. This one is a slope of 2, so slightly less steep. It's got a y-intercept of -1 as well. So it's going to look something like this. That's f of x, and this is g of x. So the domain of these two functions is both x is all real numbers, because that's basically the domain for pretty much every linear function. Now we want to draw a graph of f divided by g. So f divided by g of x is just 4x over 2x minus 1. This function is a rational function. It cannot be simplified. I know that there is a vertical asymptote at positive 1 over 2. A vertical asymptote at x equals 1 over 2. I know that the degrees are the same, so I have a horizontal asymptote at 4 divided by 2, which is y equals to 2 is my horizontal asymptote. And now I want to sketch this function. So f divided by g, if I look over here, I have a positive number divided by a positive number. So positive number divided by positive is going to be positive. And this is basically going to mean that it's going to be above the asymptote like this on this side. If I look at this side over here, I have negative number divided by a negative number, or negative divided by a negative again is a positive, which means it's also going to be above the asymptote on this side. Last thing I want to do is I want to write my domain of this function over here. My domain of f divided by g, as you can tell, it takes every real number except for positive 1 over 2.